In a glowing, magical forest, PILO, a tiny, fluffy purple creature, has one explosive sneeze problem. But today, trouble begins when Zaza, a baby turquoise dragon, and a mad scientist in training, wears a screen gadget right under a pillow nose. A magical portal bursts open, sucking them into the wackiest adventure ever. They tangle with giant snails, get lost in the swamp of talking candy, slide down a slippery water slip in the sky, and even join a marching parade of chess playing chickens. With every sneeze, chaos grows bigger and bigger. Will they ever find their way on? Or will PILO sneeze them straight into another dimension?